Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about why did your Cash App close your account and how to fix it. So generally, why Cash App closes your account is because of suspicious activity. So either you have an automated security system that flags unusual transaction patterns, high volume or large amounts. It could also be because of terms of service violations. So prohibited activities include fraudulent payments, chargebacks, or using the account for illegal goods or services. It could also be failure to provide or verify a valid government ID, SSN, or a name. Or it could also be accessing your account from multiple devices or attempting to use multiple accounts can trigger a ban. So in order to go ahead and fix it, the first thing you want to do is log in into your closed account. And this is going to be a pop-up that you're going to look at. Simply tap on contact support. And this is where you can either chat or call with them. Simply select chat and then have a chat with them right over here. You can also cash out the remaining funds. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.